Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I am reviewing the complete process of spider web creation in detail. You will be learn about the silk gland, the spinning process, and the amazing engineering behind these delicate but strong structures. Spiders are the fascinating creatures known for their intricate webs that serve various purposes, including catching prey and providing shelter. This document explores the remarkable process by which spiders spin their webs, detailing the type of silk they produce, the mechanism of web construction, and the evolutionary significance of this behavior. There are four types of silk which serve as different functions. The primary types include: first is the dragline silk. This is the strongest silk used for the spider's safety line and the construct the framework of the web. Capture silk. This silk is sticky and used to ensnare prey. It is often produced in final stages of the web construction. Egg sac silk. This is used to create protective sacs for the spider's egg. Cocoon silk. This is used to wrap prey to create a protective environment for molting. The process of web spinning. The process of web spinning involves several steps. First is the choosing a location. Spider typically select a location that maximizes their chances of catching prey, such as areas with high insect traffic. Second is the anchoring the silk. The spider begins by releasing a strand of dragline silk to anchor it to a surface. This initial line is crucial for the web's stability. Third is creating the framework. The spider moves back and forth, adding more line to create a framework. This involves laying down radial lines that extend outward from the anchor point. Fourth is the building the spiral. Once the framework is established, the spider constructs a spiral pattern. It starts with a non-sticky spiral to create the shape, followed by a stick spiral that will capture prey. Fourth is finishing touches. The spider may add additional lines or modify the web to enhance this effectiveness. This can include reinforcing weak parts or adjusting the spacing of the spiral. The mechanism of silk production. Silk is produced in specialized gland located in the spider's abdomen. When a spider spins silk, it draws the silk from these glands through spinnerets, which are small appendages at the rear of the abdomen. The silk protein is initially a liquid state and solidify as they are extruded, allowing the spider to control the thickness and stiffness of the silk. Evolutionary significance describe the ability to spin webs has evolved in various spider species as a means of survival. Webs not only serve as traps for prey but also provide protection from predator and harsh environmental conditions. To diversify of web's design across species reflects adaptation to different ecological niches. Conclusion: the process of web spinning is a complex and highly evolved behavior that showcases the ingenuity of spiders. From the production of various types of silk to the intricate construction of web, spiders demonstrate remarkable silks that have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. Understanding how spiders spin their webs not only highlights their biological capabilities but also emphasizes the intricate balance of ecosystem where these remarkable creatures play a vital role.